I wish I had started this system of organization with my very first piece. That way, I could have started with one item and taken it through the system to not only learn it, but to experience how it all fits together. There are benefits and value to it. Whether you have one piece or many, many creations, you likely have kept track of how you made them, where they ended up and how, the profit you made on each one if you sell, and captured each one in a photo. Perhaps not though. So all of this is no easy task to do unless it makes sense at each step and you can see how the steps flow from one into the next. This course comes in three parts. In part one, I talk about an item card. In part two, I go into a little depth on a record keeping system. The options here are to make your own file system using Microsoft Excel or Mac numbers, or purchase a jewelry inventory software. I show you what one of those looks like. In part three, I talk about taking photographs from you setting up your stage to how to name and file your photographs and connect them to your records. Lastly, there is a bonus video that is a collection of organizing containers that maybe you haven't yet thought of. These are ways to keep and organize your tools and findings and wire and necklaces and your finished pieces and more. I hope to see you in class.